Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. So congratulations to Thembeka Zondo Cele, who just recently tied a knot somewhat last year, and she is actually expecting her first born baby. So her colleagues from Ukhozi FM, let's just draw her surprise baby shower. So here's the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time. Love you guys. You're not supposed to. Oh, guys, it's a